Yeah, so we have loved your work on television as well, and you've been part of this grand show Nagin. So we really want to know about that. And also, since Nagin 7 is also coming, so your experience with Nagin season 6.
I enjoyed the experience. It was a great team. I had a fantastic role. I was playing a Sardarni, and that suits me because I am a Sardarni. So that Punjabi role is very easy for me to Choti Wali. And I find the Nagin was going to become the Nagin in 7 on the riverside, and I don't know that I have a Nagin in my house. So it was really fun working A with a child actor and B working with the unit.
Super. So also, if we talk about the couple goals, तो आप लोगों ने तो बिल्कुल set कर दिए हैं. People, they adore you both, they admire you both. But if we talk about celebrity life, celebrity couples, बहुत सारे तो breakups, divorce और कितनी सारी चीजें हो चुकी हैं. But अगर हम आपसे जानना चाहें, any advices, any piece of advices you have for the people जो अभी किसी रिश्ते में आए नहीं है, आने वाले हैं या कोई रिश्ता निभा रहे हैं, उनके लिए क्या होना
I think
चाहेगा?
primarily in a relationship, I believe there should be friendship. Uh, there should be equality, respect the jobs each do, whether it's at home or outside. And if you have friendship and respect and equality, I think you're completely sorted. The ability to discuss things with each other and definitely not to yell
Very
at each
true,
other and
very
get
true.
irritated.
So also talking about आपका इतना ज़्यादा experience है कि हमें आपसे ये तो जानना ही है कि tips for the aspiring actors, things they should do, things
So
they
when you
shouldn't
decide
do
to be an actor,
अपनी
the
life
first
में,
thing
अपने
I would
career में.
advise every single actor is to go down the road of mental health. And first and foremost, has a very, very strong mind because this journey is full of extreme highs and lows. It's a seasonal profession. You have to be able to learn how to take the periods of no work or periods of your projects which you've given your 100% not doing well, periods of signing projects and them not taken off. It's not a consistent job. So first and foremost, if you're backup, don't try to be an actor. Your backup plan has to be solid.
Plan B,
You have to be surrounded by supportive people. You have to have plan B where you have enough money to sustain yourself when you're jobless. And then you start working on acting. Number two, do as many workshops with the best coaches available. Keep honing your skill. It takes years and years, body language and networking and all that. In order of preference, I would say mental strength, acting, and then all the riffraff that driving, horse riding, fighting, dancing, going to parlors, getting your look right.
These are
all
the
that.
secondary things.
These are secondary, very secondary, which unfortunately a lot of people use that as their primary thing. But I think
So
it's
we
the
want to
wrong
know
way
who
around.
has been your inspiration from the industry, बचपन में जो cinema आप
See, I
देखती
have
थी.
been extremely blessed to have started my journey with the talent, whether it was Rekha ji or Dutt Saab or Shakti Kapoor, who played my abusive husband. And then subsequently in my second film, he played my dad. Kader Saab, I did so much good work with him. He was one of the most brilliant minds and actors of that time. And I worked with many senior characters who I learned a lot with, Sadash Stalwarts. All of us were new, Salman, me, Akshay, Rahul, we were safe. We were all just starting our journey. So I think along the way, we learned things from each other and we learned from being surrounded by this huge talent.
Super. So we want to know your first paycheck, when did you receive that and where did you spend
I
that?
received my first paycheck from Datsa, my signing amount, and promptly I went and handed it to my mother, which I have my mom to handle all that, but always ask her for pocket money. Even when I was a full-time, fully earning actor, money was something which was not of great interest to me.
That's amazing. And that's why, all the blessings came your way. Also, if we talk about today's time, so देखो पहले के ज़माने में रब में तो बहुत ज़्यादा चेंज आ चुका है. As in like पहले सोनू सूद के साथ में के दे के आते थे हर जगह अपने फोटोज खिंचवा के मतलब एक एक डायरेक्टर और उन सबको. और अब चीज़ें इतनी आसान हो गई हैं. यू हैव कास्टिंग एप्लीकेशंस एंड व्हाट नॉट. एंड एक और चीज़ें आ गई कि इन्फ्लुएंसर्स ना वो ही बड़ी पिक्चरों में उनको कास्ट किया जा रहा है. इतने बड़े शोज में उनको कास्ट किया जा रहा है. तो जो एक्टिंग के इन्फ्लुएंसर्स आर गेटिंग कास्टेड. सो वी वांट टू नो कि आप इसे कैसे देखती हैं जो एवोल्यूशन हुआ है, चेंज हुआ है, ट्रांजिशन हुआ है.
I don't see any mind blowing talent coming out of that. Yeah, I think what still works is the actors who honed their craft and came out of theater or from doing a lot of great following and lots of followers. All the good actors we see on OTT and films today, whether it's Pankaj Tripathi or Manoj Bajpayee, has been going on for decades. And all this lot of actors, I don't think they're influencers per se. They're genuinely actors whose work you would like to see. And for popularity in reality shows, they have all these influencers, and YouTube is nice because the youth are following that. But stories and cinema, you need that talent to tell your story the way the writer and the director and the producer envisage a project. For that, you need actors.
Right.
So I don't think it's easier. At our time, we individually met the creatives and we spent time with each other. The creatives got to know us as people, and that writer wanted us. I mean, I've even sat in song recordings because the singers at that time would want to see which actor they were singing for to put those inflections in
Yeah.
their voice. That kind of cinema is on another level.
True that.
I was very lucky to be at the frame where I had Lataji and Asha Didi also sing for me. So talent.
Supreme talent. Yeah.
So that kind of journey cannot be shortcutted with just having lots of
बिल्कुल सही।
followers. I
और अगर
feel.
हम इंडस्ट्री की बात करें, लोग कहते हैं यहाँ पे कोई दोस्त नहीं होता है, बट हमें जानना है आपका इंडस्ट्री का दोस्त जो हमेशा से आपके साथ रहा है, कोई ऐसा नाम है?
Yani, see, every project, everybody becomes friends. We
Yeah.
spend so much time with each other day in and day out. But I don't know about the sustainability. As I work with today, also I can pick up the phone and I have full confidence that they will give me a hearing and we will sit and chit chat or catch up very nicely. But I'm going to say that partly it's our fault. We're also busy in our lives to keep in regular touch.